Across Europe, cities are striving for safer, cleaner, and more efficient mobility. Trams operate in complex urban environments where safety and reliability are essential. This is where Arise makes its impact.
Arise supports our city's priorities: safer operations, better reliability, and stronger shift towards sustainable mobility.
When people feel safer on public transport, they are more likely to use it. That helps us to reduce congestion, pollution, and carbon emissions.
Passengers benefit from smoother journey, fewer disruptions, and a greater sense of comfort and accessibility.
The system would benefit us to reduce major incidents, but also near misses. And the outcome of that would be a smoother drive and a smoother operation, so a better quality for the passengers in service.
Arise is an example of our strategic approach at EIT Urban Mobility, supporting smarter, safer and greener transport for European cities. It targets tram and rail systems, tackles operational bottlenecks and accelerates deployable innovation.
Arise brings together cities, operators, industry, and research to improve tram safety through advanced technology.
The OTIF2 system is an advanced driver assistance system, and in Arise, its primary goal is to provide collision avoidance functionality for the drivers. And our goal is for this product to be a co-pilot for the drivers. And in order to reach that, we have a set of hardware, software, and data that are rail specific and created to assist drivers in complex environments, like in the cities where you have sometimes mixed traffic. For us at OTIF, what's really important in this project is that we are able to challenge our technology towards end users and universities that are really there able to evaluate how well our system really answers the problem.
At the beginning, we proposed to create three branches, three analysis. That is, first one is accident, pre-OTIF installation and post. The other branch, or the other aspect, was the setting up or installation progress. It is not sharply defined. It can lead to a stop in the middle of nowhere of a trams and can produce an operational and risk point that should be removed or we should mitigate at the beginning, at the very beginning. The third branch is the performance of the OTIF, that is the analysis. What is the main is that if it's a tool is really useful for both the driver and the operation. They can predict an obstacle or an pedestrian that moves, cycle or whatever. That is one of the most important.
In any public transport system, trust is essential. Even the most advanced technology will only succeed if drivers and passengers feel comfortable and confident using it. Our team studies user acceptance, perceived safety and trust through behavioral experiments and realistic simulations. We also collect physiological data, eye movements, heart rate, and workload indicators. UCL's insights ensure the technology is intuitive, supportive, and aligned with the real needs of drivers and passengers.
My first impression of the OTIF system is I think it's a very interesting system that can help the tram drivers to see things they don't see. The system will support us when we get a little bit distracted or when we are in heavy traffic or like heavy rain. It can help us see things we don't see by ourselves.
The process to install the system was quite easy, more simple than what we were expecting. Also, it was really easy and helpful that we had the OTIF technicians with us, giving us a hand. We worked together. I think for our regular maintenance, the impact it will have is that it will make easier for us on the avoidance of the crashes. Sometimes we get equipment damage that we don't realize until months later.
By investing in Arise, EIT Urban Mobility is enabling cities to modernize existing rail and tram infrastructure, accelerate the uptake of smart public transport and contribute meaningfully to Europe's climate and mobility ambitions.
Arise is more than a technological upgrade. It's a collaborative mission bringing together science, industry and cities to create safer, smarter and more sustainable public transport. Together, we are shaping the future of tram mobility across Europe.